What's up, guys? It's Kyle Milan. We're here at IMTS 2024. We're here to see some of our current customers, see some of our friends that are in the industry, make some new ones, and possibly get some business. Let's go.
IMTS 2024 brings so much energy and excitement around what we're doing here at GMN USA.
We're here today at IMTS 2024 opening day with my friends at Star SU Cutter.
But the most important is the here and now, but also very much so, and I tell to all my guys and everyone I have around me to have fun.